see. Ooh. 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 10 ball. Tropical Bahama Mama, food dye and color. Yellow number 5. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, I got ripped off. Cryptocurrency, and then they ripped me off on the back end, and they ripped me off on the front end, and they almost got worse. Can't do anything with them. Figured dude's an asshole. I was hoping he wasn't an asshole, but he's an asshole. I think he's an asshole. I ain't gonna say who. Not too bad. It's kind of like a rum. Kind of like a rum and a flavored rum. I'm gonna just want a 5.5. It's like there's a no assholes policy. I think anybody but him. What a great policy, eh? Yeah, it's pretty cold. Pretty cold out here on the town. Not super cold, but it's freezing. It's a little bit cold. It dawned on me. I said, you know what? A great one. Taproot, dude, work, entrepreneur, CDF, tried to fool with these bums. And lo and behold, Taproot. And we figured it out. They wrapped everybody's internet off. So I start thinking about the SS and the hatred. I'm like, you gonna hate? Hate, you can't hate. What hate? Oh no, hate, whoa, hate, whoa! You get run over something about the hate. I don't like the hate. I don't like the hate. Just don't let them hear you. It's just like the cows. Before they go to the slaughterhouse. Just be nice to them. They pound a few of them. They sodomize a few of them. Just don't let the other cows see. And just be sure to tell them, don't hate. Don't hate, or we'll silence you. Don't hate. Please don't hate. This is not hate speech, is it? I hope it's not hate speech. You're using the H word. Oh, Mr. H. Seek H. Oh, H. Well, what will we do without you, Mr. H? Mrs. H. Whoever H. H. Oh, H. You know, we don't need an S on our chest. We get an H. An H on our chest. SS. We don't have an S on the chest. An SS on our chest. But you know where SS go? Do you know where SS go? They go in a cage. They go in an oven. SS. Who SS? Are you SS? Are you SS? Who's SS? He said, I don't know who's SS. I said, am I SS? Do I look like SS? I mean, if I was SS, don't you think I might have like a Maybach? Or a Mercedes-Benz or a fancy German car? I'm not SS. You go to the gas chamber, SS. Is where you go. SS. You go to Auschwitz, SS. You go to hell, SS. You understand me? The world will not have any S. You understand? You sick. You sick. Goodbye, SS.